Say hello to the retro future. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. A modern reinterpretation of a classic, this coupe combines timeless elegance, modern performance, and unmistakable character. Let's start at the front, where nostalgia meets aggression. The wide stance is accentuated by sharp LED daytime running lights that wrap around the round headlights, a nod to the original Ghia's round headlights but now loaded with technology. The minimalist grille, flanked by gloss black intakes, and center stage, a bold Volkswagen badge above subtle Karmann lettering. The car is clean, confident, and very premium. From the side, this Ghia exudes classic proportions, a long bonnet, short rear deck, and flowing roofline that swoops down to a fastback rear. But look closer. The flush door handles, carbon fiber mirrors, and side skirts hint at serious performance. Black wheels, perhaps 20 inches, fill the arches aggressively, sitting on astonishingly low-profile tires. Now look at the rear, one of the boldest reinterpretations of the Karmann Ghia design. Thin, wide LED taillights create a sharp contrast to the sculpted rear deck. Quad exhaust tips suggest something powerful is under the hood, and a neatly integrated spoiler completes the sporty look. The rear diffuser? It's straight out of racing. Functional, aggressive, and dramatic. While Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed the specs, rumors point to a turbocharged V6 or even a hybrid inline-4, producing around 400 to 450 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive with a possible AWD option. Expect a 0 to 60 time in the sub-4 second range thanks to a lightweight chassis and sophisticated traction system. This isn't just a retro car, it's a performance coupe built for the modern enthusiast. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a cabin that balances analog charm with digital sophistication. Think stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and circular air vents paying homage to the past. A widescreen digital cluster and central infotainment system handle all the tech duties. And in case you were wondering, it's driver-focused, low-slung, and built for thrills. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a revival. It's a revival done right. It honors its roots while boldly carving out a place in today's high-performance coupe world. Would you choose this over a Mustang or even a BMW M2? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic cars in the future.